Hello and welcome to Snail's Lock Pad. We've got a lock from Trekmaster we're going to do, but before that, if you're new to my channel and you're interested in lock picking and that sort of thing, go and check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. It's a great forum, great bunch of lads, will help you in any way they can. And we'll also, like I say, if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button down there and click that bell icon, and because I do at least 2 to 3 videos per week, from making locks to lock picking to lock reviews, you know, anything lock related really. Also, I was going to be doing a challenge today, but I've been doing gardening all day and I'm absolutely worn out. Monkey Lockpicks is doing a challenge. Go and check out his channel. What the challenge is, you need to have 3 of the same branded locks, so like these are all master lock, but they can't be removable cores, so they've got to be normal cores like this, and you've got to use the same tension wrench and the same hook to pick all 3. And he's going to get up once he's had all his the videos submitted, he's going to pick out a winner, and he's giving away a really nice Ruco lock. So yeah, go and check his channel out for this new challenge, because we've not had a challenge for a while. So, and he's got one going. So, but because I'm too tired, I can't really. And you have to hold these in your hand. You can't do them in the vise, and my arms are too tired and worn out now for holding them. So what we're going to do instead, I'll just sort me phone out. I do apologise about that. And that hissing noise you can hear is my cooker, as I'm in the middle of cooking as well, tea. This is a lock that we've got. It is a Trekmaster key. It is called sgt.slaughter. There's the bit in. Pretty mental. Does work. Absolutely fine. So hopefully we can get this picked, because it's bloody hot in this kitchen. And I don't mean just a little bit, it is. I am sweltering. Right, I'm going to use a homemade tension wrench, and I get it, a Trekmaster hook. Top of the key, there we go. And let's see what we have. Ooh. Straight off from number 5 there, we got a little false set. Got some more. 2. A little bit of counter rotation there. Lost the false set there. Oh, I think we got it back again. Definitely something there then. Oh, and there we go, we're open. Whew. That was that was a very good pick. I'm just getting my board. Just difficult to do this in a kitchen. It about feels like 100 degrees. It's that hot. There we go. Let's find the right. Well, we've got the key, so we can lock it back up. nearly. We've got... I always have to get one of these awkward clips. Let me just pause it while I... There we go, we've done it. Such a bloody fiddly thing, that thing. Right, it's got to follow somewhere. Here we go. Do you know what? Just in case I don't have any shims, so I use a pinning shoe. Actually, no, I can't, because I is a dopey bum. Because I locked it back up. Right, oh, this way. There we go, we got it. Let's have a look, take you out. Well, that one didn't have to be picked. Number 3. Right, let's put them in there. Number 1. Number 2. Serrated, they've got deep serrations on the pins. Let me just turn them the way they're supposed to go. Alright. Sweating like mad, it's pouring off my head, it's that hot in this kitchen while I'm cooking. Right, let's see what I've got in here. Ooh, like a serrated spool. Get a spring out as well. Copper spring. Another serrated spool. Bugger, we've lost, I haven't lost them. What I've done is 2 have jumped out. I'm going to have to find out where they go. And oh, there it is. I thought we've got I've lost a spring or something. It's trapped. It's caught on something. It's a copper one. There we go. I didn't want to damage that. Right. Let's have a look what we've got. Now some of these, I do apologise, Trekmaster mate. Some of these are all right. We've got serrated, deep serrated. We've got a keeping like with a bit of a spool. Then we've got more of it like a T-pin keeping and another serrated one. We've got actually that. They come out the wrong way. That I think is right, but I'm going to find out Trekmaster anyway. So we've got a spool serrated, another spool serrated, a standard, serrated. Tie spool, and we got a T-pin, and the springs are all standard and the same, as you can see. There we go. Let's have a look what we've got in here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the other way around actually. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are all threaded, and number 1, number 3, which is that way that'll go, is non-threaded, and the core itself As you can see, it's threaded, and it's threaded. Let's have a look. Yep, every single chamber's threaded on the core, on the Bible. But, yeah, that was a very good pick. And like I say, if you go and check out Monkey Lot Picks, he's doing a challenge. Get involved, have a go. None of us have really done any challenges for a while. It'll be a good bit of fun again. But thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.